Hello everybody, welcome to the fifth episode of this Bible Online Learner tutorial series. In this episode I would like to show you how you can monitor your exercise performance. So basically what we're talking about is when you have done an exercise on the Bible Online Learner and you wonder how good did I actually do, how well did I perform, you are able to access that information by going to My Data and by going to Learning Journey. So let me first show what My Data provides you and then what the Learning Journey provides you. So when you go to My Data, you go to My Performance, and here you will see in the first table how much time you spent on the Bible Online Learner in the different weeks of the year. So obviously in week number 34, which started in August 20, I'm sure that you see this little pop-up window, August 20, I spent about 0.02 hours on the Bible Online Learner. Now, in the second column below, you see what exercise you actually were doing and how much time you spent. I spent just a little bit more than a minute, which is equivalent to the 0.02 hours. You can further click on Show Table and it gives you some further information about the graph up here. So obviously here in this part you'll see where the exercise that I did is exactly located in the folder system of the Bible Online Learner and how much time I've spent on doing this exercise, 1 minute and 6 seconds. Now you might say, well, this is all nice, but I'm not really allowed on those graphs to see what mistakes I did. I just see a general, I'm exposed to a general representation of the time that I've spent on the Bible Online Learner and how many answers I might have gotten right or wrong. I don't see. So for that you go to the Learning Journey. So on the Learning Journey you click on Travel Diary, and the Travel Diary you will see the class you're enrolled in. Then you see your student name, you see the answers that you were given, you see the number of correct answers that you provided, you see the time that you spent, and you will get a grade. So that grade is actually cumulative. So it collects all the different exercises and calculates from them the grade. So if I click on Student Glance, it's my account, I'll actually see how that grade was produced. So this grade was produced on the basis of this exercise. I can click on this exercise and now you get what you actually want. You see that you have the entire list of questions that you were exposed to with the answers that you provided. So in the first column where it says correct, 1 means you provided a correct answer, so there was nothing wrong. 0 means you provided a wrong answer. Value is what in this case, what the correct glosses would have been. Answer column, what answer you provided, and original word, this is where your Hebrew word, in this case it was vocabulary exercise, came from. So obviously here I was exposed to the conjunction the, so I answered and that received a correct. I did that correct. I could have also typed in also or even or but, so I was right here. Or for example here, B was the question, B I provide the answer in, and yes, it was part of the glosses that would have been acceptable for a correct answer. And so on. But now if you go to, for example, the word kara here at the end, I was exposed to the word kara and I said that the meaning was to meet, but you see I was wrong, I got 0. The right answer should have been encounter. So this is a way how you can get access to the exact answers that you provided and the wrong answers. Now keep in mind that when you utilize here the Learning Journey, that you won't directly get access to your results after you've done the exercise. It always takes about 24 hours until your statistics are provided. That's because of a cron job that is run at the server once per day. Only after that cron job has been executed, then these statistics are available. Now, if you want to get right away access to your statistics, there is another site connected to the Bible Online Learner. It's called the address is statdb.3bmoodle.dk. Now, I must say the site is no longer supported, but it's still working nicely. You just log in with the same account information that you use for the Bible Online Learner. So I've logged in here already. Now I can go to Individual Learning Journey, and now you can see a whole list of exercises that you have done. In my case, I've just done one exercise. It tells you when the exercise started, how long you have taken for that exercise, how many right answers per second you provided. Obviously, there were 26 words that I had to answer, 25 I did right. You can also here click then on individual analysis. Once you click on individual analysis, you see a table of basically what we have seen here, telling you whether it was correct, where the words came from, and what answer you could have given, what answer you did give. And so you have quite some nice statistics about that. So I hope that was helpful. So the Bible Online Learner does provide you with statistical information, and in that way can help you to really locate your problems and your weaknesses and improve upon them. Okay, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them, and see you for the next episode. Bye-bye.